I'll guide you through the new method to bulk delete your entire Instagram Stories archive at once, saving you from the headache of deleting thousands of old memories one by one. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. To begin, open your Instagram app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right. Then hit the 3 horizontal lines in the top right to open your settings menu. Don't go to the Archive tab. Instead, select Your Activity, which is the central hub for mass managing all your content. Tap on Removed and Archived Content, then select the Stories Archive section to see every story you've ever posted in a single grid. Tap the Select button in the top right corner to activate Multi-Select mode, allowing you to manually pick specific stories or groups. Use the Sort and Filter tool at the top to narrow down your history by start date and end date, which is perfect if you only want to delete content from a specific year or relationship. Tap Select All at the top once your filters are applied to highlight hundreds of stories simultaneously without having to tap each one individually. Hit the Delete button at the bottom of the screen. A warning will appear reminding you that this will also remove these stories from any highlights on your profile. Confirm the deletion. Your stories will move to the Recently Deleted folder for 30 days before they're permanently purged from Meta servers. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.